Hi everybody, this is Julie and Brian. Today we are going to talk about the chemistry of vinegar and how to use it for weed killer.
I have here today what is a common household vinegar usually made for cooking in the kitchen. It can also be used for cleaning in the kitchen as well as in the bathroom. And if you see on the fine print here, it shows that it is 5% acid. That is fine for cooking. Some people buy a stronger vinegar that's labeled for cleanup of, say, a bathtub or toilet or kitchen sink or stove or something like that. And still other people want to be able to use vinegar because they don't want traditional weed chemicals to kill a weed like this in your lawn. Okay? If you want to use vinegar in order to kill a weed, it can be very effective, provided that it has enough acid content. This one at 5% usually is not going to be enough. There are vinegars that are sold for killing or spraying on and killing weeds that are usually well over 10%. Sometimes a cleanup vinegar will be around 10%, and something to kill weeds, it needs to be between 10 and 20% vinegar, which is a lot more expensive, but it's practical for people who don't want to use traditional weed chemicals. They don't want them around their house, they don't want them around their pets or their lawn or anything.
So where do you get it?
You can buy it usually at what we know as a big box store. There are vinegars that will kill weeds at a big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that.
Then you're just going to put it in a spray bottle or something?
Yeah, exactly. It's sold in a bottle, normally by the half gallon or the gallon, like this kitchen vinegar is, and you simply pour it into something that's convenient to spray, like this. And you don't want to dilute it anymore. You don't want to add water to it. You just use the straight vinegar and you spray it on the surface of the weed. Make sure you get the weed as wet as possible on the leaves and the flowers. And you give it about 1 to 2 days without any rain or sprinkling on it. And the acid should shock the weed enough to kill it, to dry it out and kill it from the top down.
Now, from the learning perspective, why does acid do that?
Well, acid has a kind of an extreme drying effect on plant tissues if it's strong enough. Weeds naturally have some built-in defenses to take, harsh weather and other things that may otherwise kill them, but they do have defense systems, and it needs a strong acid concentration in order to kill it. Some weed chemicals use a salt concentration in order to kill a weed, but acid is just it goes the other way.
Well, thank you very much, Brian.
Sure.
Hope that helps. There you have it.